Namaskaram. Intestinal gas buildup can be very unpleasant. Sharp pain, cramping, swelling, tightness, and even bloating may be the result. Excessive gas can occasionally cause discomfort or even agony. However, some easy dietary adjustments can help with digestion and gas relievement. Some products frequently found in the kitchen may also work as natural gas relievers in addition to over-the-counter gas relieving medications. Let us discuss some of the remedies to get rid of abdominal gas or flatulence in this video. Avoiding items that cause stomach gas or bloating, especially late in the night, is the first step towards treating it. These include puffed rice, dairy products like cheese, paneer, hard to digest non-vegetarian foods like meat or eggs, and starchy vegetables like potatoes, corns, and peas. Everyone who frequently feels bloated and gassy shortly after eating should make it a habit to drink warm water after each meal. Applying asafoetida, which is hing paste, in and around the umbilical region and lower belly is another effective home remedy for gas-related stomach pain. To relieve gas or bloating, massage the lower abdomen with warm scented oils and then apply some hot foam. Applying 2 drops of warm sesame oil or ghee to the belly button and rubbing the area with the forefinger and the middle finger in a clockwise and then anti-clockwise motion can be quite beneficial in treating pains. Another well-known home cure for chronic gas or bloating is buttermilk, which can be easily consumed freshly made at home along with some roasted cumin powder and a pinch of asafoetida or hing powder added to it as and when needed. Chewing on 1 or 2 garlic pods and then sipping some warm water will aid with the gas relief. As an alternative, you can mix buttermilk with some minced or fresh garlic paste and drink it as needed. When combined with hot rice, freshly roasted carom seeds and ghee, this would help relieve gastric or bloating symptoms. For immediate relief from gas or bloating, boil 100 ml of water with half teaspoon of cumin seeds for about 10 minutes and then filter the water, adding a pinch of rock salt and drink it. Drinking chamomile and peppermint tea promotes the digestive health and helps to manage stomach ailments like gas. Ginger has essential digestive properties. It reduces intestinal cramps, bloating, and prevents flatulence and indigestion. Majority of the times, gas and discomfort in the abdomen does not need medical treatment. A self-evaluation of habits and modifications in eating patterns and over-the-counter products can help with this problem. We hope that these remedies will give your stomach and body a relaxing feeling by getting rid of acidity and gas-like symptoms. We will see you in another enlightening video. Namaskaram.